Okay, so the next problem we have is integral of 1 plus tan x into tan x plus alpha dx, right? So we have to find the integration of that. So see, to solve this problem, no, we will make use of one of the trigonometric formula, that is tan a minus b. Tan a minus b can be written as tan a minus tan b divided by what? 1 plus tan a into tan b. Correct? So from here, can I write 1 plus tan a? If I take this side, on the left hand side, it will become 1 plus tan a into tan b, and that is equal to what? Tan a minus tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b divided by what? Tan a minus b. Correct? Only rearranging the form, right? Now let's suppose this part is I am calling a, this part I am calling as a, and this part I am calling as b, right? Now the second part I am calling it is a, and the first part I am calling it b. So in this case, 1 plus tan a, this can be written as what? Tan a, this will become tan x plus alpha minus tan x divided by tan x plus alpha minus x. Correct? So basically 1 plus tan a into tan b, this can be written like that, and I can write this part as tan x plus alpha minus tan x divided by x get cancelled, and tan alpha. Tan alpha is a constant part, no? So this part I can take it out because this will not participate in now integration process. So I will do what? Integration of tan x plus alpha minus tan x dx, and this is 1 upon tan alpha. Correct? So now we have tan integral of tan x plus alpha and minus tan x. So this can be written as what? This can be written as log of secant x plus alpha. This part can be written as log of. So 1 upon tan I can also write as cot alpha, and in the here I can write log secant x plus alpha minus, this can be also written as log secant x. Correct? Log secant. Now we will apply the log property. Log a minus log b can be written as what? Log a by b. So I will get cot alpha log a by b means secant x plus alpha, and divided by what? Complete this. I can divide it as secant x. Correct? Now if you want the answer in the form of cos, because the answer is in the form of cos, so what we will do? 1 upon secant can be written as what? Cos. 1 upon secant can be written as cos, and this part will come in the denominator. This will again become cos. So if the answer is in the form of cos, we can write log of, this will become cos x, and this will become cos x plus alpha. If your answer is in the form of secant, stop there, or else write this and plus c will come. Correct? So this will be the final answer.